Storyline Marketing is responsible for saving small businesses in America, and it's all started with automotive shops. We're another shop that hates being associated with their bad competitors. My name's Shawn Severs, founder of Storyline Marketing. We are responsible for increasing the revenue and awareness for small automotive shops across the United States. Whether you're doing $500,000 or $1 million plus, we can help align your story with your marketing, just like for Brad's, Hanford's, Smoggenton. Jason bought into it 8 years ago. It's been around for 30 years, and I just walked around the city and nobody knows who it is. I walked into businesses, people said, I've never heard of them.
We're excited. We think it's going to do, we're going to do really good things with it. I'm glad Shawn was persistent. He kept on me and got me to actually do it. I was a little nervous. Yeah. About being on camera, and I think everybody else here was too.
And so if you're seeing this video and you want to be seen as the obvious choice where consumers know who you are, they know to choose you and they know to trust you as opposed to your competitors, then you need to have us hired, Storyline Marketing, where we go to shops and we film content and we edit it and manage it every single month for the next 6 to 12 months. And that's what we are doing here for Jason. He brought us here yesterday and we will be here today and then tomorrow, and then we'll be leaving, and then we will edit that content every single month. That will increase his car count, that will increase his ARO, and most importantly, that will increase his revenue, where his business is gonna be able to grow from $600,000 and he wants to hit that $1 million mark. And how can we say we do that? We have done that for shop owners like Anthony. He went from $550,000 to $1.6 million in 2 years.
We went from 550 to 1.2. $998,000. We're just a couple grand away from $1 million a year. So that's not even a full year yet. So we're only, what, 10 months into the year?
And we've worked with numerous shops all across the United States, and we want to work with you. So whether you're a performance shop, whether you're a Harley repair bike shop, or you're a general maintenance repair shop like Jason's shop here in Hanford, California, 20,000 people or 500,000 people in town, we can make you the obvious choice, because if it's not you, it will be your competitor. So click the link above or below and let's make you the obvious choice. Talk to you soon.